Hello, welcome to USCIS processing updates. Thousands of individuals apply to move to the United States but have already started growing their family in their home country prior. In these cases, those applying will sponsor their spouse, dependents, and any other qualifying relatives to immigrate to the US with them. If you are interested in any of these topics, stay tuned to the end of this video for your immigration updates. If you like this video, please click subscribe button, like this video button and click the bell icon to get new updates instantly directly to your YouTube homepage on your smartphone or smart device. Now let's get into the video and find out what's new in US immigration. There are a few options available to those who are looking to do so. Let's learn about 5 visas that would allow your spouse to work in the United States. Let's look at them one by one. Number 1. H-1B visa. The H-1B visa is a work permit that allows foreigners to work in the US with their specialty occupations. To apply for this visa, one would need a job offer and the skills required for that job. The H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD, was designed for spouses and children under the age of 21 of H-1B visa holders. Specifically, spouses of an H-1B visa would obtain an H-4 visa to legally work in the United States. Number 2. E-1 visa. The E-1 visa, also known as Treaty Trade Visa, is a non-immigrant visa for citizens of countries that the U.S. has a treaty of commerce with. While not all countries are eligible, business owners and investors from those that are may qualify if they meet several criteria. If your spouse is looking to work in the U.S., they would need to download Form I-750, complete it, and apply for employment authorization. Number 3. E-2 visa. E-2 visas are for owners and investors in businesses in the United States. The E-2 visa is a temporary U.S. work visa that may be granted for substantial investments in the U.S. An investment must meet several criteria in order to qualify for an E-2 visa. As the E-2 visa holder, you are only permitted to work for the E-2 company. However, your spouse can work for any employer or even be self-employed. An H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD, is the document that allows an E-2 visa spouse to work, and T usually takes 90 days to arrive. Number 4. E-3 visa. The E-3 visa gives eligible Australian nationals the chance to work in the United States within their specialty occupation. The visa was created by an act of the United States Congress as a result of the Australia-United States Free Trade Agreement, AUSTA. E-3 visa holder spouses are entitled to work in the United States with a valid H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD. The spouse may not begin work until they receive the EAD card. And number 5 is L-1 visa. If you are expanding your business to the U.S. or being transferred to an existing American business, the L-1 visa is most likely the best work visa for you. L-1 visas are available to employees working for companies outside the United States, such as in Canada, that have branches, subsidiaries, affiliates, or joint venture partners in the United States. The spouse of the L-1 visa holder in most cases is eligible to work. However, the spouse must first apply for an H-4 Employment Authorization Document, EAD. If the work authorization is granted, the spouse does not typically face any restrictions on their place of employment. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. I hope you found this video useful. We will post new videos when there are more updates. The U.S. Immigration Update channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB-3, EB4, EB5 and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.